Hello students, today I will talk about the microminerals manganese and cobalt. Distribution of manganese. Total body manganese is 15 milligram. It is present in skeleton, liver, pancreas and kidneys. It is mainly seen inside the nuclei as complex with nucleic acids. Requirement of manganese is 2.5 to 5 milligram per day. Sources of manganese are nuts, tea, cereals, fruits, vegetables, roots, tubers and liver. Absorption of manganese occurs in the small intestine. About 3 to 4% of dietary manganese is absorbed. Dietary calcium, phosphorus and iron inhibit manganese absorption. Transport of manganese. In blood, manganese is bound to the specific carrier protein transmanganine, a beta-1 globulin. Blood contains about 2 to 3 microgram per deciliter of manganese. Manganese is stored in liver. Manganese is excreted through bile. Functions of manganese. Manganese acts as a cofactor or constituent of enzymes like hexokinase, pyruvate carboxylase, isosaturate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, arginase, cholinesterase, lipoprotein lipase, enolase, phosphotransferases, glutamine synthase, glycosyl transferase, hydrolases, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase, squalene synthase, ALA synthase, mitochondrial superoxide dismutase, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, gluconolactone hydrolase, and 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase. Manganese and magnesium may replace one another in some of the enzymes. Manganese has a role in carbohydrate metabolism, especially in TCA cycle, gluconeogenesis, and pentose phosphate pathway. Porphyrin synthesis. Manganese helps in porphyrin synthesis as a cofactor of ALA synthesis. It has a role in fat metabolism, mainly in the fatty acid synthesis and cholesterol synthesis. Role in proteoglycan synthesis. Manganese also participates in glycoprotein and proteoglycan synthesis, which forms the matrix of bones and cartilages. It has a role in the removal of free radicals. Deficiency of manganese. It causes growth retardation, bone deformity, sterility, and fatty infiltration in hepatocytes. Deficiency of manganese causes diminished activity of beta pancreatic cells, which results in decreased insulin secretion. In manganese deficiency, pancreatic hypoplasia associated with diabetic type of glucose tolerance test is observed. Deficiency of manganese causes parosis, which is slipping of gastrocnemius tendon. Manganese toxicity. It may occur to manganese miners and industrial workers exposed to manganese compounds and fumes. Inhalation poisoning produces psychotic symptoms and Parkinsonism-like symptoms, which is called manganese madness. Cobalt. Distribution of cobalt. Adult body contains 1 to 2 milligram of cobalt, mostly as hepatic cobalamin. Cobalt forms an integral part of vitamin B12 and contains 4% by weight. 1 to 2 microgram of vitamin B12 contains approximately 0.045 to 0.09 microgram of cobalt. This is the structure of vitamin B12, where cobalt is at the center of the structure, and surrounding the cobalt there are 4 chiral rings. Sources of cobalt. It occurs mainly in cobalamin molecules of animal protein foods such as meat, liver, and milk. Requirements of cobalt. Adult humans require 1 microgram of cobalt per day. Absorption of cobalt. About 70 to 80% of dietary cobalt is absorbed readily from the intestine. Cobalt is stored mainly in the liver. It is excreted from the kidney. Cobalt. It acts as a cofactor of enzymes. As a constituent of cobalamin molecule, it participates in the function of cobamide-dependent enzymes such as homocysteine methyltransferase and methylmalonyl coenzyme isomerase. It also acts as a cofactor of non-cobamide enzymes such as glycine dipeptidase and ALA synthase. Functions: promotion of erythropoiesis, helps in the maturation of RBCs in the bone marrow, as a constituent of vitamin B12, as a cofactor of ALA synthase, and by stimulating the formation of erythropoietin, which enhances the erythropoiesis. Deficiency of cobalt in animals may cause macrocytic anemia, which is curable by either vitamin B12 or cobalt sulfate. Continued administration of cobalt salts produces cobalt toxicity, polycythemia, in animals. Manganese and cobalt. Thank you.